These are some simple and easy peripheral neuropathy exercises that are quick and fast.
All right, now we're going to do some toe tapping. Toe tapping exercises. You can do one leg at a time, X number of reps on one leg, X number of reps on the other, or you can go back and forth.
Yeah, I'm just going to do one side right now. And then switch. And people want to do this for at least 5 minutes.
Do both at the same time.
And try to go faster and faster.
Keep them in rhythm.
It's hard.
That's good. Next move is going to be ankle rotations. This is pretty simple. You can do both at the same time, or you can do one at a time. Go clockwise, then counterclockwise. Do at least 10 circles in one direction, 10 in the other. You don't have to do that right now. Just show me a few. One clockwise, counterclockwise. It might feel really difficult compared, one direction compared to the other. That's just normal. Now do them both at the same time.
It's hard.
It is hard. That's good right there. Now you're going to do heel to toe raises. You're going to raise the toes, rock forward to the heels. Back and forth, back and forth. These I would probably just do together. I don't know if there's any real added benefit to doing one at a time. And like all these moves, they can all be done standing. It's just a greater balance challenge. That's good right there. Now you're going to do seated leg extensions. Start with one leg at a time. You could do both at the same time, but start with one. You can hold it, or you can even add ankle weights.
Toes pointed.
Yeah, I would curl my toes back toward me, yeah. You could do all one side, all the other. You could go back and forth. You could add ankle weights. You could do both at the same time and have some type of dumbbell or kettlebell supported, when your feet. You could even add bands somehow if you have something to anchor them on. Oh yeah, that's hard.
A little bit.
Now you're going to use your feet. It's like tracing the letters of the alphabet. You're going to use your feet to trace letters. So you're going to have to lift up one foot at a time, control it. Maybe you start like A, B, C, D.
I'm not going to record the alphabet. I'll just do A, B, C, and D.
Yeah, that's what I said, yeah. The whole alphabet would take you forever. Looks like it's hard on the side.
Yes.
That's a
a
C.
lot harder. I need to work on it.
Good, right there. Now you're going to do the classic calf stretch. We'll do it against the wall. So what you do is you'll face the wall, put your hands on the wall. One foot forward and the other foot back. Stretch the leg out, straighten it out, have it straight ahead, push the heel to the ground, and then kind of lean forward. Just hold that for a period of time, then switch legs. Everybody's different, so their level of flexibility is different. So they're going to be able to do more or less. That's good right there. Now you're going to do just seated marches. So you're going to march in place, just like you would if you were standing. Now come up, just stand up next to the stool. And you're just going to show doing it while you're standing. Like I said before, all these exercises, stretches, they can be done standing.
This?
Yep. Knee straight up. Yeah. Marching in place. This one's a little harder than the other. That's good right there. All right, last one. This is going to be simple. This is going to be the hands. So what you're going to do is you're going to spread the fingers wide, roll up in a fist. Spread the fingers wide, roll up in a fist. This, again, no real added benefit. Do both at the same time. Do both hands same time, yeah. And stand up and do it. Yeah, there's no real added benefit. And you actually find they make bands. They make webbing to spread your fingers open, and they make bands to pull with. So there's all kinds of apparatus you can find to make your forearms and your fingers stronger. That's good right there.
Try these exercises and let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe, share, like, and ring that bell. Thank you.